Hey everybody, this is Brad Anderson here from Virbela and eXp Realty. Today I wanted to give you a quick little tour of the Virbela campus. It is a different world than the eXp world you're probably used to. And so I wanted to be able to, one, show the differentiations between eXp world and the Virbela Open Campus. And then number two, invite you in to the Virbela campus so that you can explore and see how many of the customers and clients out there are using Virbela's platform in the same way as eXp Realty is. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to stand up here. This is my office. I happen to be inside the Virbela Open Campus in the main office of Virbela. Here on the wall, you'll see me, I'll point out a 3D virtual tour of a listing. It's a property. We're able to do all kinds of different things within this space. But to give you this tour, I'm just going to walk my avatar through the building here. This is a main office. And so you'll see we have boardrooms in here. We've got personal offices, private offices. This is actually the different staff and different departments within Virbela. But you can come in here anytime. You just go to virbela.com and download this platform. Then you create an avatar, much like the one you see running on the screen right now. And then you just pop in here and you use your arrow keys and your microphone to communicate, collaborate, connect with people from all over the world. Now, rather than running you through this entire planet of offices and spaces and theaters, let me just show you what we have. Under the go-to menu in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to see we have different boardrooms. We have a conference room, a marketing room, a mixed-use room. We have end caps in each of the spaces in here. There are different offices located throughout, and so rather than running around looking for an individual, you could just select that person's office and teleport immediately directly to that spot. We do have meeting rooms in here available. We have other campus locations outside of this building, and there's a whole lot more. So come on in, take a tour, use the go-to menu to look at any of these locations. And with that, I'm going to say welcome in. I look forward to seeing you in here soon. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye-bye.